Hello dear friends, today we are watching the Mandi rates in Indore and we have the date is 29th of February and we have the day is Thursday. So I just got the prices of different farmers, garlic, as well as I got the prices of onion and also got the prices of potato too. When we talk about that, so when we talk about some farmers we have, क्या नाम दादा आपका?
मैं नाम संजय सोलंकी।
सोलंकी जी कहाँ से आए?
बिरगोदा।
So his name is संजय सोलंकी, he is from बिरगोदा। अभी आज क्या भाव गया लहसुन अपना?
अभी तो छोटा वाला गया 78।
75। बड़ा वाला?
बड़ा अभी नहीं बिका।
अभी नहीं बिका. So he is having the two sizes of garlic. The one is teeny size and the teeny size he already get 8,800 rupees and the big size garlic is still the garlic didn't sell now and let's ask some questions to him. अभी भाई कितना लहसुन लगाया था
इस बार से 8-5-13 बिका था।
और कितना बेच दिया?
अभी तो कम ही बेचा।
मतलब it means that he sold a little bit, like he sold 2 bighas of garlic, still remaining lot of garlic. आप भी क्या लेके आए थे?
ये भी लहसुन लाया था।
अभी नहीं बिका। अच्छा नहीं बिका।
इसका नहीं बिका।
चलिए, जय जवान जय किसान। ठीक है भैया। So dear friends, that one is 11,400 rupees sold and when we talk about the garlic size is like we have the medium sizes of garlic, that one is and कौन सी क्वालिटी है? Amleta. And this one is Amleta quality. As I am telling to you every day, I am just showing to the garlic price and as well as the onion price and also potato price. We have the farmers also. We need to talk to farmer. क्या नाम है आपका? दिलीप जी कहाँ से आए? So his name is Dilip and he came from the सरदारपुर. कहाँ ये एरिया कौन सा अपना?
धार जिला।
And the district is Dhar. We are going to ask some questions to farmer that is he satisfied or not with the price that he got and what the price actually got. क्या कीमत में बेचा आपने?
ये
10,500. आप कितने कट्टे लेके आए?
ये लेके आया
13 कट्टे. कितने लगा रखे थे आप?
लगा मिला था सिर्फ एक कट्टा।
एक कट्टा. तो अभी कितना घर में कितना माल कितना पड़ा?
पूरा बाकी
पड़ा है.
7 बीघा का पड़ा।
तो अभी सही भाव सही मिल रहा आपने?
नहीं, माल
रोकेंगे. So he is not satisfied ultimately the price he is getting now because when we talk about the before the 15 days or 20 days ago the price was almost 20,000, 22,000, 18,000 but suddenly that price ultimately get down. It's only 10,000 or 12,000 rupees we have and Dada has something for us. It's okay. दादा क्या नाम है आपका?
विशोलाल जी पाटीदार मोसार।
अच्छा पाटीदार जी कहाँ से आए अपन?
मोसार से धार जिला।
मोसार से. आज अपना लहसुन बिक गया?
बिक गया।
क्या भाव बिका?
11,500।
So he also sold the garlic 11,000 and कितना? 11,500. 11,500. अभी कितना माल लगाया हुआ था?
बस अपने तो एंड में चल रहे हैं।
एंड चल रहा था. कितने कट्टे लगाए थे? मतलब कितना बीघा में लगाया?
20 बीघा लगाया था।
अच्छा 20 बीघा लगाया था. So actually he just sow the garlic in 20 bighas. Bighas means something we have the acre like so same thing we identify the bigha also. अभी उसमें कितना पर बीघा में निकला?
वो करीब
एक बीघा में
15 से 20 कुंटल।
20 कुंटल. So almost 15 to 20 कुंटल पर बीघा actually the producing of the garlic. बाकी आप लोगों का बिक गया दादा? बिक गया मार्केट? अभी नहीं बिका. चलिए जय जवान जय किसान जय बलराम. Dear friends, that one is sold also 21 rupees kg. When we talk about the quintals, it's 2,100 rupees quintal means 100 kg. When we see the onion size, the size is big size as well as we have the medium sizes also. This one is a medium size too and this ultimately sold for 21 rupees kg. So we need to ask some question to the farmer that what price he got for this ऑनियन. दादा क्या भाव बिका आपका? 2100 रुपये. दादा क्या नाम क्या आपका? कैलाश पाटिल. कहाँ से आए? सिरपुर से. So his name is Kailash Patil. He from Sirpur and he got the price of 21 rupees kg. 21 रुपये कहने के इनको मिला है. अभी कितना माल अपने पास बचा हुआ? खत्म हो गया. So he don't have the any kind of onion at home. All stocks are completely just finished. अभी गांव में कितना माल होगा आपका? लगभग खत्म हो गया है. आधा बचा है, आधा खत्म. So as he telling to us that in his village almost half of the portion, half of the onion the people are having the storage. They almost finished half whatever they have the stocks. Still remaining the half stocks and what the quantity of half stock we can't calculate that ultimately half stock. चलिए जय जवान जय किसान जय बलराम. ठीक है भैया. Dear friends, this one sold for 18 rupees and 50 paisa per kg. When we talk about the 100 kg or quintal, it is 1850 rupees kg. The onion is medium size onion, as well as we have the small size too. Not teeny size, but small size we have and big size also. And this is sold for 18 rupees and 50 paisa. Dear friends, this one sold for 21 rupees kg. And when we talk about the onion, the size of onion are almost similar, but some sizes are small and some we have the medium sizes also and big sizes too. And this is sold for 21 rupees kg. Per kg 21 rupees, and when talk about the quintals, it's 2100 rupees quintal.
आलू भी का आज 18 रुपये हमने बेचा है.
So dear friend, today the potato sold for 18 rupees kg. अभी highest क्या गया 18 रुपये
18 रुपये बेचा.
और कम से कम क्या गया?
कम से कम 15.
So minimum price of potato for 1 kg is 15 rupees almost. उससे नीचे भी गया होगा कुछ?
नीचे है ना 8 से लेके.
8 से लेकर के
आलू बीमारी आलू
18 तक है.
8 से 12 बिक रहा बीमारी वाला.
अच्छा, बीमारी वाला. So those potato which are damages, having some kind of problems, that ultimately 8 to 12 rupees. But if the good potato, then that potato almost sold the farmers 16 to 18 rupees kg. And when you talk about the average potato, that is ultimately the 12 to 15 rupees kg. So this one is a teeny size potato we have, and this is having the price of 8 rupee 50 paisa kg per kg. So when we'll talk about the quintals, it's 850 rupees quintal. और वो बड़ा वाला is ultimately packed, but the price of this potato is 18 rupees. 18 rupees. Yeah, that one you can see here. This one having the nice potato we have. You can look at the potato. Good potato, and that one is 18 rupees kg. When we talk about the quintals, it's 1800 rupees quintal for 100 kg.